Hi everyone, this is the 112th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here you have a simple problem from the concept of remainder theorem. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if x cubed minus 51 times x plus k is exactly divisible by x plus 1, then k is equal to which of the following 5 options? So essentially we have to find the value of k. The important information here is that the expression here, the function of x, is actually exactly divisible by x plus 1. That means x plus 1 is a factor, and exactly divisible means the remainder will be 0. So now if we assume that the function is f of x, and that is equal to x cubed minus 51 times x plus k. Now from the remainder theorem we know that if f of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder that we get is actually f of c. So in this case, when we divide our expression or our function by x plus 1, then what would be the remainder? Well, x plus 1 can be written as x minus negative 1. Think of it like that. So in our case, this c right here, the c that you see in the actual theorem, that c in our example is actually negative 1. So then when our function is divided by x plus 1, this is going to give us a remainder of f of negative 1. And by the way, this is going to be equal to 0. Why? Because it exactly divides, meaning it leaves no remainder. It divides the function, right? So then if we solve this equation, we should be able to find the value of k, and this is our important equation here. So let's try to solve it then. So from here, what can we say? Well, f of negative 1 is equal to 0, right? So let's begin with that. So from here we can say f of negative 1 would be what? Well, if we substitute a value of negative 1 for the x, so there should be negative 1 cubed minus 51 times negative 1 plus k, that is equal to 0. So from here, what do we get? Well, from here we can say negative 1 and then positive 51 plus k is equal to 0. From here we can say 50 plus k is equal to 0, and from here we can say k must be equal to negative 50, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have negative 50 under option G, so option G would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.